Hey everybody, welcome back to 1 Minute Walking Tours. As always, I'm your host Jonathan. As part of our series here at Antietam National Battlefield, we're going to talk a little bit about this monument here. This is the 90th Pennsylvania monument, a rather unusual monument in that it's sculpted with these muskets and this little bucket here. And it says, "Here fought the 90th Pennsylvania," and then it says Philadelphia, September 17th, 1882, a hot place. Which I'm sure it was. Now, what's interesting also about this particular spot, not only is this their monument where these rifles, is that when this was originally put here, those were actual muskets. So something like that isn't going to last too long. But you can see these boulders here. There's limestone. There's a famous photograph, and I'll put that up. And there's a burial party right up on these rocks here. And they're tending to the hundreds, if not thousands, of buried bodies that needed to be buried all in through here, because this is all the Miller Cornfield. And you have thousands of dead. The official toll for the day of the battle, September 17th, is 3,000 dead, laid out all over here, all over through the cornfield, all over through the West Woods and the East Woods. And part of the people, part of the parties who got the terrible work to bury the bodies were taking a little break up here. And it was so terrible that they had to get permission from the provost marshal to buy liquor for the men to help them deal with it. And when you're burying corpses on a battlefield, you bury your own first, where it's easiest, and then where it's hardest, and then you think and you wonder about what are you going to do with the enemy dead. Now, they're usually put into trenches and kind of forgotten about. The idea is get them in the ground because they're a health hazard. And disease is a big part of the American Civil War. 2 will die of disease for every 1 killed in battle. So it's vitally important to this area and to the operations of the Army of the Potomac that they get everybody in the ground as soon as they can. So if you're here at the Antietam National Battlefield, and you should definitely come by, this is well worth the trip. You come by and see the rather unique and subdued monument to the 90th Pennsylvania. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you here soon on 1 Minute Walking Tours.